Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by choosing one clear subject and clearing the frame of clutter so negative space reads easily. Once chosen, set exposure using spot metering or a slight EV bias to preserve highlights or shadows, then position the subject off-center. Make a first frame that emphasizes the empty area. Step back or zoom out to widen the space, and check edges so no accidental elements intrude. This first actionable shot establishes scale and tone for the rest of the sequence. Now refine composition. Decide whether 1/3, centered, or strongly asymmetric placement best serves your story and adjust accordingly. Use a longer focal length to compress negative space or a wider lens to exaggerate it. Stop down or open aperture to control depth and separation. Move your body, raise, lower, step left or right to change relationships between subject and empty area. Once done, review the frame boundaries and recompose until the negative space feels intense. Finish by checking overall balance. Ensure negative space guides the eye to your subject and that contrast separates elements clearly. Make final exposure and white balance tweaks, then take multiple frames with slight crops and focal variations so you can choose the strongest composition. If something goes wrong, like unexpected clutter or a distracting edge, move your position, change angle, or remove the object. If necessary, use a small crop or cloning in post. Always compare alternatives before calling the shot complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.